You guys probably know this already, but I'm going to share it anyway. Ntando only joined Sibongile and Dlamini's, and that is what I want to talk about on this video, so stay tuned. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos, so enjoy this video. It looks like there's a lot of change that is going to take place on Sibongile and Dlamini Season 2 as more cast members are starting to be revealed, and one of those cast members is Ntando Zondi. We're only told that Sibongile is being recasted, so we thought that was the only change that we're going to see, but it looks like there's a lot more. Except for Ntsele Mtiana, who will be playing character of Sibongile, there's Baby Cele who's coming to the show, and the new character of Samantunga Khumalo will be played by Azange Mkhungu. Lungelo Mathunzi will also be joining the show as Jabu Mazibuko. So as I've mentioned before, my excitement is on the entrance of Ntando Zondi because I know that his character is really going to shake things up kwa Dlamini. Ntando will be playing a character of Themba, and if you don't know, Themba is Njenga and Nofundo's son. So, Nofundo and Njenga have been having this boy child that they've been hiding to Petin and the whole Dlamini family. Rumors are, Themba now comes in full force, and according to the news, Themba will want to create a relationship with his father and become a full Dlamini since he's been on a closet ever since the show started. Look, I don't know how this whole thing is going to unfold, but I'm really excited, and I think Season 2 is going to be fire. I also hope that they're going to give us a progressive Sibongile this time. Let her go to varsity, graduate, that kind of a plot. I mean, keeping a poor Sibongile for a whole season was never a good idea. Another plot that I hope they are going to develop is Gwenzo and Sipongile's relationship. I really hated Gwenzo and Sipongile's back and forth, and I'm glad that they finally brought someone who will be in a combination with Gwenzo, but that is not what I want to talk about in this video. This video was about Ntando joining Sibongile and Dlamini's and nothing else. So, before joining Sibongile and Dlamini's, Ntando gained his fame in Season 1 of Shaka Ilembe, where he played the character of a young Prince Shaka. Yes, he did not stay on our screen for a very long time, but even with the few episodes that he appeared on Shaka Ilembe, he managed to capture so many South Africans' hearts because, as we speak right now, I'm certain that I'm not the only one who's excited about him joining Sibongile and Dlamini's because I really cannot wait for the 31st of July, which is the date of the premiere of Season 2 of Sibongile and Dlamini's, and I really hope that you guys are excited as I am. In fact, do comment in the comment section, let me know what do you think about Ntando joining Sibongile and Dlamini's. So with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.